Hey Cancer, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Bottom of the deck, I see deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask. Okay, Cancer. Okay, look. Oh, I feel the death stares coming. So listen, Cancer, somebody from your past, okay? I know, that's why I said I feel the death stares. I know. But listen, somebody from your past is coming back, right? And they're making plans. If you haven't heard from them just yet, oh, you will be, because they're coming. They know that you're the one for them, and they want you to know when they do come towards you, it is safe for you to love them this go around. Like, they're done playing games with you. I know. Y'all, I know. I know. Okay? Let's hop in. Let me just see. Ooh. Alright, y'all. Let's see what's going on. Alright. Let me stop playing with y'all. Spirit, what's going on with my Cancers? Alright, Cancers. Let's see. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I have the Three of Swords. See what I'm saying? Whoever this is, that's why I'm telling you, it's a past person. They did break your heart. There could have been a third-party situation, but I'm definitely just right now picking up they broke your heart. And that's why they want to come back and fix it, because they know you're it. You're the one for them. They know this. All right, let's see how this plays out. Ooh, see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying, Cancer? This person's coming back because it's somewhat landed on this could be the one. This could be the one. I'm telling you, this person knows that you're their person. You're it. They want to have a happy home with you. They want stability with you. They want a family with you. They're coming. I'm telling you, they're coming. Whoever this is. Tell me more. But see, they're not being positive, and I feel like they're not being positive because of the way they treated you. But see, this person is using their intuition now. So they're listening to their higher self. They're listening to that little voice that's inside of them saying, go, make that move. They want to come back towards you. Tell me more. But see, yeah. So there was a situation going on. This person was stuck in something codependent, whether it was like codependent behaviors, addictions, whether there was like another person, family. It was something that they were bound to. They were feeling stuck. And that's why I said, like, they're listening to their that little voice inside of them, which is like, you need to go, you need to make a move, you need to get out of this situation. Tell me more. You just gonna land like that? Okay. They're having a hard time right now because, yeah, they're having a hard time. They're regretting everything that they did to you, Cancer. It's more so going down for me. They want to balance things out with you. They want to make things right. Tell me about the Six of Pentacles, please. I'm telling you. It's like, I feel like in the past, they were having a hard time coming towards you because they were doing something or taking care of someone that they were codependent to. That was the issue. And that's why there was a lot of like back and forth, a lot of confusion. But this person isn't confused anymore. I'm telling you, they know who they want, and it's you. They're coming, Cancer. They're not struggling. They're not battling anymore. They're coming towards you, but they're just taking it day by day to do it. Tell me more. Let's see what's going on. Somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius, but I feel like this person wants to balance things out. Yeah, they don't want you to cut them off. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But I'm telling you, they're going to have the strength to come towards you. They are. But see, they're moving slow. They're moving slow. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. This person, I just heard pride. They have a lot of pride. Their ego and pride could be in the way, and that's why they're moving slow. Tell me about the Emperor. Maybe it's their stability. Let's see. Tell me about the Emperor, please. Back and forth with the Knight of Pentacles. See what I'm saying? It's like they're moving slow, but they don't want to. But I feel like it's their pride. Maybe you guys were dealing with somebody who was very arrogant at one point, but now it's like they know the truth and they know they have to come back towards you because that's what they want to do. But at the same time, they know that they were wrong and their pride is still playing a big factor in this. Tell me more. They gotta let that ego and that pride go. See, they hurt you. This person hurt you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But they don't want you to look back at what happened in the past. They don't. See, but they're slow to communicate. It's like, I feel like a lot of y'all, you're not talking to this person. If you are, communication is coming in really slow. But they do want things to improve with you, Cancer. But they know that they cause an imbalance in the relationship in the past. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here. Cancer, you could be dealing with another Cancer, but I do feel like this individual wants to move forward with you. And that's the decision that they made. Tell me more. If they were like living with someone, whether it's family or a love interest, I feel like they know that they have to leave some type of like, there's a living situation going on for some of you. It's not everybody. But I feel like they are moving out of that residence, whether they're renting, it's a mortgage, they bought a house with someone, it's something like that. Somebody has to leave a situation. But more so for all of you, I am picking up that this person wants to move forward. They do. Tell me more. Yeah, see, I told you. They made the decision. They want you. And they're going to come back and give you the offer, Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this individual is dragging their feet. They're dragging their feet because they're afraid that if they come towards you, you're going to walk away. Because they did leave you out in the cold. They ghosted you. They ghosted you for this other situation, whether it's family, a love interest, career, friends, whatever. They did leave you hanging. They know they did. And see, I know it's like you guys have been moving forward, but at the same time, it bothers y'all because of what, because of what they did. It does bother you still, even though you're trying your best to move on, you're healing. And they know it, and it's like they want to come back and fix it. But see, they're in their head about it. They're worried. They're worried. They're worried that you're not going to take them back. Let's see. And they're not happy about it. They're not happy with themselves. Oh, Jesus. The way the Empress came out, it landed on honeymoon, so it's like they're making plans to come back towards you because they do want to have a new beginning with you, but they're feeling like they're not. For some of you guys, there's a child here. There's a child here. Somebody could be pregnant. It's not everybody. Don't be freaking out, okay? I feel like you will already know. So there is a child that's involved in this situation, or someone's pregnant, and that could be why this person is hesitating coming back towards you because they feel like you're going to walk away from them. Ooh. Tell me more. Clarify the Empress. Let's just see. Yeah, but see, they're coming out of being frustrated about it. I'm telling you, they're making plans. That card landed right on top of honeymoon as well. They're coming back, but see, they feel like you're going to cut them off for good. Yeah, see, they feel like they lost you for good. Somebody dealing with an air sign here, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Two of Cups reversed, bottom of the deck. Yeah, they're feeling like you're going to break things off for good, especially for a lot of you if you're fighting now or if you know there's a child involved because maybe they took too long. Ooh, Cancer. Ugh. What in the world? See, yeah, this person was being sneaky. For a lot of you, again, there may not be a child, but I am picking up on that for some of you guys. For others, this could just be somebody was being a player. They were, messing with this one, that one over there, this one down the street, and they know that you were not tolerating that. Yeah, this person was being sneaky. But see, they want to have a victory with you. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all, this person, okay, let me see. They're isolating themselves from you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Virgo. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. It's more so down. They want to tell the truth, but I feel like there's some fear here doing it. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. This person is afraid that you don't want to have a commitment with them because they repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back. Tell me more. Yep, but they do want to speak their truth. If somebody was in some type of like commitment, with someone else, or if they were married, or if they were just bound to some type of situation, I do feel like they're getting out of it. They are. But they do want to tell you the truth. Yeah, see, this person was feeling stuck, guys. They were. And now they're coming out of that energy. And I feel like they want to speak their truth. Look at that. They want to speak their truth. They're going to come and communicate to you guys that they do want to have a new opportunity. They had to free themselves from whatever situation that they were in. So it looks like they made a decision. What's their decision? Lord. They want... Y'all, this person, I'm telling you, they want to give you an offer, but what's also stopping them is they were being very immature and childish towards you. And that's why they're afraid you're done with them. I feel like this person said some things to you. And you're like, oh no. You said what? I'm a what? You gonna do what? Or you not gonna do? Oh, okay, watch this. Like, see what, like, this person knows, like, That's why they're undecided about what to do. Tell me about the Queen of Wands. See? See what I just said? Okay, first, let me just say this. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But remember what I just said? Like, oh, you said what? I'm not gonna what? It's like you guys have this fiery energy about yourselves where you're not tolerating anything that they're doing. And that's why they're afraid you're not going to give them another chance. Because they said some disrespectful things to y'all. I'm going to be, for a lot of you, that's what I'm picking up on. They were being real harsh with their communication. And now it's like they want you back in their life because they look at you like a blessing. See, and they know that they broke your heart because of that third-party situation that they had you in. Tell me more. So they're coming out of being frustrated. And see, this third-party situation that they were in, they're coming out of it. They're going to be single. They're freeing themselves. Whatever your situation is, they are, in order for them to have a peace of mind. Look at that, because they choose you. Cancer, they choose you. They want to balance things out with you. They're holding on to hope, that you're hoping that you're going to take them back. Some of you guys could be dealing with an Aquarius here. Tell me more. But even though they're making plans, see what I'm saying? They're not taking a lead. They're not taking a lead. They're scared. Tell me more. Clarify. See, they want this. This person is in their head. They want a new beginning with you. They do. 3 of Cups. I feel like they want to celebrate with you. They're going to ask you out. Clarify the 3 of Cups. See if this is a third party. Yeah, see, they want a new beginning with you. But, yeah, that third party situation that took place in the past, that's what they're afraid of. That you're not going to take them back, see? They're afraid that you're not going to want to have this new opportunity with them. Because they started a lot of conflict. They started a lot of arguments, a lot of drama. But see, there's a tower moment. There was a shakeup that took place on their end, Cancer. Tell me more. Now they're undecided about what to do. Honestly, they don't even know what to do when it comes to you. They don't. They don't know. They don't even know how to approach the situation. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign. Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person does want to come back to give you that stable offer of commitment. They want to rush in fast. They do want to turn things around. Cancer, they're coming back. Oh, they're coming. Whether you like it or not. Oh, Lord, this person. Okay, some of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. The biggest thing with this person, they don't speak up. They don't show you how they're feeling. They don't tell you how they're feeling about you. They know how to mask their emotions very well. Because, see, you don't even know that this person wants all of this with you because they're not telling you. They're not putting in the work. That's the problem. But, y'all, they're thinking about you all the time. Y'all be like, girl, dang, ain't nothing happening. He or she ain't saying nothing. Oh, I know. I see it. They want to, but they're not putting in the work. See, it's like they're trying to decide how to go about doing this. Because, look, Ace of Pentacles, I'm telling you, they want to give you the offer that you deserve, Cancer. They do. They do. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Cancer. You see what I'm saying? This person, they're learning their lessons. They want to move forward with you, but see, they're afraid. This person is afraid that things may not improve. The seeds that they planted with you, they're afraid it's not going to grow. They're feeling like you're no longer going to put any time, effort, or energy into them because of what they did. See what I'm saying? That's why you don't, it's like they're not saying anything. This is why. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But see, they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore, Cancer. But they do want things to improve with you. And look, you're going to get your offer. You're getting the Ace of Cups. But they're scared. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. There's fear here. Oh, you know, I've been picking this up a lot with these signs. Like, people are, whoever was done wrong, it's like the other individual is realizing your worth. And